Have you seen that video?
No.
It came out on, I don't know, Inside Edition or something like that. I think it took him like 2 minutes.
It's just crazy to me.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Want to take your cup?
Why?
Okay, if I head down?
You want me to take your cup?
I'm gonna give her a report.
I know, but
And the girl with the ponytail sitting by the door is your other daughter? Is she a daughter?
Does she have blonde hair?
Kind of reddish blonde, strawberry.
Yeah.
Oh.
okay.
And then my oldest daughter is in there right
I'm going
now
out to
too.
the front. Where are you going?
She's the one who just came with the baby.
Where are you going?
Same place as you.
I can hear you. What?
Practically.
You're gonna spill your cup. You sure you don't want me to take it?
Have you passed by
It's just right.
Angela's lot lately?
She's got a full house. Have you seen it?
No.
I drove by there yesterday because I had to put my friend's trash can out because they're on vacation. Yeah, it has some siding on the front by the porch. It's a structure. No one knows.
Wow.
They're finishing up with the two that they have down there. They're gonna let them go, and then Elsa
I
said
need to
she's
go
gonna
past
head
through
over
there.
here. But they're literally getting
Is
out the door
Teresa
when I
still
was
there?
still down there.
Well, she's doing a Rubik's Cube on handy now.
What is she having?
There? Nothing for me. She said she's not hurting.
Marking, morphine, morphine, and then whatever MSD.
Are you good or do you want us to stay?
No, go ahead, go you guys. We're fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, positive. I got Swin.
You're in the.
Is Swin
is
or Bandari?
No.
Oh, Swin? Oh.
Swin took over for Ben.
Oh, okay. Alright. Bandari. Alright, I'm going down
It
then.
was really nice to meet you. I've
Good
never
luck
seen
with your
anything
Rubik's
like you.
Cube endeavors.
That is so cool. Does she do good in math?
I messed up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I bet.
Bye, y'all. If I don't see you,
That is just
Abby. Have a
amazing.
very Merry Christmas.
Okay, call me tomorrow if you guys need help, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for using the system.
Do you want me to take your cup?